Hey y'all, welcome back to Math Rescue. I'm Andre, your certified math coach. In this video, we're locking in some of the most important vocabulary for polynomials. And I'm going to show you one of my favorite ways to actually remember definitions, using examples and non-examples. It's a simple study habit that makes every term stick and helps you instantly recognize what does and doesn't count as a polynomial. Let's talk about it. All right, so we are going to focus on our variables, and we're going to focus on the exponents or what operations are being done to our variables. First, we're going to go ahead and start by organizing the non-examples and the examples, and then we'll talk about why the non-examples fail, and then we'll state the degree and leading coefficient for the example. All of these have already been formatted to being into what we call standard form. All right, this is a polynomial. This is a polynomial. Here we have another polynomial. Here we have a non-example. This is also a non-example, and a non. So let's talk about why the non-examples do not work. So on the first non-example, this doesn't work because we have the square root of x here. The square root of x is equal to x to the 1/2. And polynomials need to have positive integer exponent. All right. For the next one, this term here prevents this expression from being a polynomial. Logarithms exclude our expressions from being polynomials. The next one, we have an exponential. I know that this is an exponential term because I see the variable in the exponent spot. And last but not least, having variables in the denominator, that's going to be another red flag. Variables in our denominator could be represented as negative exponents, so that's also going to prevent us from being considered a polynomial. All right, for our examples that did work, let's talk about how to find our degree and our leading coefficient. So coefficients in general, that vocabulary word just means the numbers touching variables. In this case, the leading coefficient is going to be the coefficient that's in front if it's in standard form. So it'll be 4, 8, 11, and -9. For the degree, that's another way of referring to the exponent. Specifically, we want the highest exponent on variables. So this is degree 5, degree 4, degree 7, and degree 6. I'm Andre with Math Rescue. See you in the next one.